Yes, Nazreen, we are entering in a Eid Mela. Soon you will be able to see Eid al-Fitr 2026. Eid Mela is happening here in Sarabisi. So let's see. Okay, we are at Eid Mela. Eid Mela is happening here. There is Itar. Perfume. That's very good. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. So people have done a good one here for Eid Mela. People are nice. That's very good. Prayer mats. MashaAllah. This is MashaAllah. The hell. Very nicely made. This is from China, I guess. The product is from China?
Turkish.
Turkish, okay. Very nice. MashaAllah, this is very good. But you have pure silk janamas? Silk?
Silk.
Yeah.
That is Turkish one.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
This is silk. Sorry, I'm sorry.
Or
Yeah.
the
Which one? Oh, that one. Okay. How much is this one?
20.
$20. Yeah, this is
Different color.
okay. I'm sorry. Yeah, this is very good. I'll come back. Just hang it again. Yeah, hang it. Yeah, this is nice. Very good. And this is also very good. I'm just making videos so people will come. Yeah. You're welcome. Yeah. You want to say something?
Me, yes, I am a designer from Lahore. You can
Oh,
visit me. Yes.
oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Zara from Lahore.
Yes.
We were in Lahore just a few when January 18, 19.
Okay.
We were there. We saw your, I think, in the one of the mall.
Oh, the Nishan?
Yes, I think. Yeah, we were there.
Yeah. I've been here for last 20 years.
Oh, that's very good. That's very good. Nice. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, let's see here. Jewelry. Jewelry is happening here. Very good. Oh. It's always the new varieties. Yeah, always there is new varieties here. Clothing. Eid is clothing. Jewelry, and again, see another clothing. And designing never ends. See these beautiful things here happening. Yeah. I even don't know the name of this. What do you call it? That's right. This is for the old style purses. Yeah, this is old style purses. And the people who have arranged this is very good. Beautiful happening. Eid Mubarak. Eid al-Fitr Mubarak. You see here. Eid al-Fitr from DAP TV. Dil Apna Pakistan TV is here live on location. We are live and we are just making sure that people enjoy this occasion. Shopping. There will be rush here because Eid is just announced right few hours ago after Roza, and this is very good. And look at this. Nice, very nice. Thread by Huma. Again. Nice. Assalamualaikum. Lots of clothing. And the prices are very good. Oh no, only $60. Nice, very good price. Yeah. The people are not making money here, just here to make convenience for the people so that they can have Eid shopping here. So Eid shopping is very important for the ladies and for the kids, girls. And okay, we are in a food area now. We are coming into food area. But before I go there, I should cover this area first. I will cover this area. This is Come on, and 72nd and 120th Street. We will give you the address here. Oh, look at this. This is Turkish or Akhwani? This is Akhwani, right? Ah, mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. Very good. Eid is for all. Eid is for all. Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Mashallah. Yeah. Islamic arts. Lots of things here. Beautiful. Mashallah. Very good. Very good. Some perfume here too. That's good. Yeah, nice. Nice. There's another scarves. Beautiful scarves. Light colors. Assalamu alaikum. Yeah. Eid al-Fitr again. Eid al-Fitr has been announced and people are enjoying the Eid shopping. And they will come. I think people who are already there, they have eaten the food here. And then Pani Puri is being sold with the Coke, with 7-Up. Pani Puri. I like Pani Puri Pani. Pani is very good. Hello, hello, kids, how are you? Assalamu alaikum. So much. Oh, mashallah. Yeah, I won't hurt. I'll come back. Oh, thank you. I'm coming back. This is a good idea. One chai won't hurt. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Oh, ice cream. Ice cream is happening, yeah. Kulfa ice cream. This is nice. Oh my goodness. This is homemade. What are the ingredients there? It's a secret. No, I want to know that later on. Chalo. Aap try kar lo. Usko aise. Yes. Look at this. Come on, join here, man. All the families should come here. And yes, nice. He's preparing kulfa. Yeah, let's see how it's being made. Oh, this is nice. Vermouth. हाँ मैं करता हूँ मैं अभी इतना रोदा खोल के आया हूँ Thank you very much. ये उन्हें दे दे somebody behind me somebody behind me the page what's happening oh the DAPT my Dil Intikhab Ahmed go Intikhab Ahmed you can yeah Facebook Intikhab Ahmed and you will see me I am live INTIKHAB Intikhab Ahmed Facebook yeah Ahmed you want another one? No, I have. Yeah, this one. Yeah, just share, reshare this one. Yeah, okay. Hello. The food is being offered here. This is very good actually. ले भाई अब हम आ गए हॉट पैन पिज़्ज़ा पर मैंने कवर किया है वो सारा हॉट पैन पिज़्ज़ा का अपना स्टॉल है अस्सलाम वालेकुम जनाब क्या हाल चाल है ये क्या है जनाब ये मसाले लौंग और मैं इलायची वाला रखे हुए हैं हाँ ये चिली अपनी रेसिपी हॉट पैन की हॉट चिली माशाल्लाह
ईद मेले पे पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं
हाँ
जिसमें काफ़ी आपने देखा है कि स्टॉल लगे हुए हैं
या ये तो अच्छा है
यहाँ पे खाने के 2 स्टॉल हैं एक हमारा स्टॉल है
हाँ
एक ये है सेहत अफजा का
अच्छा ये वाले सेहत अफजा वेरी गुड ये
कंपनी है
अच्छा वेरी गुड
कंपनी है चिलावैक
चिलावैक में दैट्स वेरी गुड चलें इनसे भी अभी सेहत अफजा से बात करते हैं पहले हॉट पैन पिज़्ज़ा की जनाब ये लोकेशंस वैंकूवर और सरे और आप आएँ यहाँ पे एंजॉय करें मैं तो जिधर भी जा रहा हूँ मुझे वहाँ पे फूड ऑफ़र की जा रही चाय ऑफ़र की जा रही अभी इफ्तार करके आए तो जनाब आप फाइनल कोई बात करना चाहें तो इसे एंड कर दें
सर आज चांद रात है
चांद
नज़र आ गया चाहे जिधर भी नज़र आए हमने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया BCMA ने अनाउंस कर दिया
वेरी गुड
कल ईद है
कल ईद करेंगे ईद मुबारक सबको ईद मुबारक वेरी गुड माशाल्लाह सबको ईद मुबारक चलें जी हम मिलते हैं वापस और लोकेशन प्लीज़ एक सेकंड लोकेशन भेजें खुरम भाई को। नाम बताइएगा, जगह, लोकेशन। खुरम भाई ये ड्रीम बैंक्वेट हॉल है। ओके, ये एक सेकंड मैं अभी लोकेशन बताता हूँ। ड्रीम बैंक्वेट हॉल, at 72 and 172 Avenue.
36 1 Scott Road.
Yeah.
7236 Scott Road.
जी बिल्कुल, मैं अभी एक इसको कर दूँ 72 एंड स्कॉट रोड 120 स्ट्रीट।
उसका नाम डाल दें।
या मैं लिख दिया, ड्रीम लिख दिया।
क्या बात है।
क्या बात है ना।
आज इधर पूरी गैमी है सर।
या
सभी आए और चांद रात का मज़ा।
या चांद रात का मज़ा लें और यहाँ पे लोग जो हैं एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। अच्छी जगह है और माशाल्लाह पूरा हॉल इन्होंने रेंट पे दिया हुआ है, विच इज़ वेरी गुड, विच इज़ वेरी गुड। चलें जी, मिलते हैं।
खुशकिस्मती है कि
या
हमारी कम्युनिटी ग्रो हो रही है और जगह जगह पे चांद रात मनाई जा रही है।
जी बिल्कुल, अभी हम
इंतखाब भाई आज कवर कर रहे हैं।
हाँ जी, आज जी बिल्कुल चांद रात आज कवर हो रही है।
दिल अपना पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद।
वैनकूवर की जान,
वैनकूवर की जान, दिल अपना पाकिस्तान।
पाकिस्तान। या माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह, दैट्स वेरी गुड, पीपल विल एंजॉय हियर। चलें जी, फिर अब चिला बैक वाले बताएंगे जनाब। सेहत अफ़ज़ा, सेहत अफ़ज़ा इसमें क्या चीज़ है? व्हाट इज दिस? आई नो दैट, आई सी दिस हियर, you can speak what you call it English. You speak in English, yeah, no problem. Yeah.
So we have Afghan food.
Oh, this is Afghan, okay.
Yeah, we have kabuli palau
Yeah.
with meat,
With
lamb.
yeah, chicken and lamb, right?
Yeah, and we have burgers.
Yeah.
One is with chicken and one is with kebab,
Very
seef
good.
kebab. And we also have some sweets.
Oh yeah, some treats here and some
We have also herbal
Some-
cheese from Afghanistan.
some chai.
Yeah, herbal
Chai.
cheese.
Okay, some chai as well. So come here and enjoy, and people are here and they are just enjoying the moment here. चलें फिर मिलते हैं, देखते रहिए दिल अपना पाकिस्तान।